This call will be recorded for quality purposes.
Hello, this is Sam with the bakery. How can I help you today?
I need to order a cake.
Great, let's get started. Could I have your name, please?
Jane Dough, D-O-U-G-H.
Thanks, Jane Doe. Could you please provide your phone number and email address?
Yes, it's 719-123-4567.
Got it. That's 719-123-4567. And your email address?
JaneDoe@gmail.com.
Thanks, Jane. Just to confirm, your email is janedoe@gmail.com. Now let's talk about your cake order. What size and flavor are you thinking?
I need to feed about 30 to 32 people.
For that number of people, a half-sheet cake would be perfect. It serves 30 to 40 people. What flavor would you like? We've got white, chocolate, red velvet, and carrot.
Let's do white. Or could you do
Great
half and half? Half chocolate, half white?
Absolutely. We can do half chocolate and half white. What about the filling? Any preferences there?
What kind do you have?
We've got apple, cherry, lemon, raspberry, strawberry, buttercream icing, cream cheese icing, fudge, and vanilla custard. Any of those sound good?
Let's do vanilla custard.
Yum, vanilla custard it is. Now for the frosting, would you like buttercream chocolate, buttercream white, chocolate fudge, cream cheese, white whipped cream, or chocolate whipped cream?
White whipped cream.
Perfect! White whipped cream it is. Would you like any special decorations, like an edible image, custom decoration, or a decoration kit?
Could you do like flowers on the corners?
Sure thing. We can add some lovely flowers on the corners for you. When would you like to pick up the cake? Just a reminder, we need at least 48 hours notice.
Could we do Saturday afternoon at 2?
Saturday at 2 in the afternoon works perfectly. Let me confirm everything. A half-sheet cake, half chocolate and half white, with vanilla custard filling, white whipped cream frosting, and flowers on the corners. Pickup is Saturday at 2 p.m. Is that all correct?
Yes. Can you write on the cake?
Of course. What message would you like written on the cake?
Happy anniversary, John and Jane.
Got it. We'll write Happy Anniversary, John and Jane on the cake. Your order is all set. You'll receive a confirmation email shortly. Thanks for choosing the bakery and have a wonderful day.
Thank you.
You're welcome.